Whoever you are, wherever you live, any decision you make about your body, life, or your sexuality should be yours alone. Yet all over the world, many are persecuted for making choices others disagree with or legislate against. 40% of women of childbearing age live in countries where abortion is banned, restricted, or not accessible. 47,000 pregnant women die each year due to complications from unsafe abortions. 215,000 maternal deaths a year could be avoided if women were allowed to use contraception. Same-sex relationships are illegal in 76 countries. More than 14 million teenage girls give birth each year, mainly as a result of forced sex and unwanted pregnancy. 24 European countries require transgender people to be sterilised before their gender is legally recognised. And in some countries, you can be executed if found guilty of homosexuality. We believe that everyone should be free to decide if, when, and with whom they have sex, and whether or when to marry or have children.